Hello guys, this is DMskinSolution and welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for how you can learn simple and effective skincare products without breaking the bank, this channel is for you. Click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our amazing skincare formulas that works well in solving different skin issues, glowing the skin and building your overall confidence. Today I'll be sharing how you can make your own body butter that glows the skin, brighten the skin, remove stretch mark from the skin, eliminate dryness from the skin, and make your skin look plump, firm and radiant. So today I'll be teaching you guys how you can make that body butter to use for your skin. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's get started. To make this glowing body butter, the ingredients you need will be 1. Shea butter, which is about 100 gram you need. For you to get that 100 gram, like I always say, you have to get your scale. Don't just measure with spoon or cups. Get your scale and get the accurate measurement, okay? You will need 100 gram shea butter. You will need mango butter, 50 gram. You will need coconut oil, 30 gram. You will need sweet almond oil, about 30 ml. Then you will need jojoba oil, about 15 ml. You will need rosehip oil, about 15 ml, which is optional for brightening. You will need 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil. 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil is approximate to 5 ml vitamin E oil, okay? You will need 1 teaspoon of mica powder. You can get the gold or bronze. Is for shine. Mica powder is used to make your lotion, your butters get that shine looks, okay? When you apply it on your skin to give you that shiny look on the skin, that's what mica powder does for the skin. You also need about 10 to 15 drops of fragrance oil or essential oils. You can choose between vanilla, lavender or rose. Any of them is okay. Essential oils are very good for the skin. It glows the skin. It's very important you add essential oils to your product. The first step you need is the shea butter and mango butter, okay? What you have to do, you place the shea butter and mango butter in a heat safe bowl and melt using a double boiler, okay? You can see with the picture. You first of all put, if you don't have this glass jar, like I always say, this glass baker, you can use a bowl that has heat-proof properties. An heat-proof jar is a jar that has the ability to resist heat, okay? In the sense that when placed on a double boiler or on top of hot water, that bowl will not melt. If that bowl doesn't melt, it's an heat-proof bowl, okay, or jar. Then you allow it to melt properly, okay? You allow the mixture to melt completely. When it's completely melted, it will display just like what is on the second pics, okay? Completely melted. Then step 2 is to remove the butter from the heat and add your carrier oils, which include coconut oils, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, rosehip oil and vitamin E oil. Then you mix thoroughly. You mix it properly with your hand mixer or your hand whisk or your electric mixer. Carrier oils are the oils you use for most of your formulations and production, and they are different from essential oils. Carrier oils are used in larger quantity and essential oils are used in smaller quantities, okay? So don't exchange the carrier oil in place of essential oils, okay? So the next step now is for us to allow the mixture to cool down. For faster work, you can cool it down by placing the mixture in your refrigerator or allowing it to cool by itself, okay? Just leaving it there and to cool by itself. When you see that the butter is fluffy, like looking not completely hard, that is semi-solid. So when you bring it from the refrigerator or when it's semi-solid, you mix it thoroughly. You mix thoroughly which is the step 4. Then you wait for like few minutes before you start adding your essential oils, your shimmer, and your fragrance. Okay, before adding your essential oils, make sure that the butter has cooled down to a degree that is less than 40 degree. Okay, then add your essential oils and mix very well. Then you place in the container, then leave it for like 24 hours before you use. Okay, if you are not in a hurry to use, you wait for 24 hours before you use. But if you're in a hurry, you can use it 30 minutes after production or just few hours. Okay, then this is how you use it. Before you use this body butter, you have to exfoliate your skin. You have to make sure that your skin is well exfoliated. For you to exfoliate your skin, you have to use a good salt scrub to pull out the dirty for straight 3 days. Okay, for those who are new to exfoliating, you have to ensure that you pull out those dead skin cells from your skin. If you can't do that, using this body butter will only pile up dirt on the top layer of your skin. But when you exfoliate, using this body butter will give you that glowing, radiant, brighter skin that you want. Okay, for you to exfoliate, you have to get a scrub. In the evening, you pour water on your skin, apply the scrub, massage the scrub all over your body, and leave for some time, like 5 to 15 minutes, so that the scrub will soak into your skin. Okay, then after 15 minutes you wash off. Then you can now apply this body butter. You repeat this process for the first day, the second day, and the third day, once a day, for those that are new with exfoliating. Okay, but if you are not new to exfoliating your skin, that you've been exfoliating your skin before now, you can exfoliate just once for that day. Then the next day you can start this body butter. It's as simple as that. But if you are new, like you're just starting skincare, you don't know what exfoliating is, you've not used scrub before, it's advisable you get a scrub. Use first before using this body butter, and use for straight 3 days, like straight 3 nights. Okay, if you use this today night, you use tomorrow night, you use the next tomorrow night. That's 3 straight days. Okay, if you are selling this body butter, you have to add preservative for it to have a longer shelf life. Okay, then ensure you store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Okay, and again too, if you want this body butter to give you that brightening effect, that lightening effect, you have to add 1 teaspoon licorice extract, 1 teaspoon alpha arbutin oil soluble solution, 1 teaspoon kojic dipermeate melted with the oils, then 1 teaspoon turmeric oil. This combination will give you that glow. Okay, it will make the skin look radiant. It will give you that exceptional glow that you won't ordinarily have from body butter. Adding these extra ingredients will give you that exceptional glow you won't ordinarily have from body butter. So try it and thank me later. And again, you ensure that you get your ingredients from a reliable source. Like, all your ingredients are authentic and original. Getting adulterated ingredient and mixed ingredient or expired ingredient will not give you the exact perfect result that this butter is supposed to give you. Okay, so ensure you get your ingredients from a genuine source, that you will get your results as easy as possible. Okay, here's it. If you're just starting your skincare business, I wish you the best of luck. I'm rooting for you. And again, to like, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. Don't miss that, because I'll be uploading more and more recipes that you can sell and make good money from. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed. Thank you.